Is AdsRePay really a great way to earn online, or is it a waste of time? I have joined this platform to test it and compare it to the hundreds of other get paid to sites I have tested, and in this AdsRePay review I will give you an inside look and show you both the pros and the cons, because let me just reveal right away that it definitely has both and you need to take both into consideration before deciding if this is for you or not. So before I log in and show you exactly how AdsRePay works, then let's go over who can even join so you will know if this is relevant for you or not. And I have just jumped to the help center because they have a list there of countries that cannot join, because as you can also see, it is available from most countries. But of course, as with most get paid to sites, there can be a difference in how many earning opportunities you have depending on the country you live in. And they also clearly mention here there are most opportunities in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and in Europe, but you can also earn from other countries. But there are some countries that cannot join, and you can see the current list here. And I also have that full list on my website and will keep updating that. So if you want to see that list again, then you can just jump to my website through the link below here and check that out. And there you can then also see alternatives if you live in one of these countries and you still want to earn online. And then I have a list there of options you can use even though you cannot join AdsRePay. But with that clarified, then let's now take an inside look and see exactly what it offers and how you can earn and if it will even be worth your time. So in one sense, AdsRePay is quite simple. It's quite straightforward. Once you logged in, you can easily get an overview of the earning methods. But let's go over these one by one so you can see exactly how it works and how much you can earn by doing those tasks. And let's start by the videos, because the videos is what I have seen advertised in many other YouTube videos on websites, that people say you can earn a lot of money just by watching YouTube videos here. So let's put that to the test. And you can see there are two different kinds of videos. There's these hyper mix here that's only for the US, or you can use this Repay TV, which all the countries that can join can use. So let's check that out. And here you can find all kind of different videos that people have decided to promote through AdsRePay, and they have been willing to pay to do that. And that is why AdsRePay are willing to pay you something for watching these videos. It's a way for some people to try to get more views on their YouTube videos, because this is YouTube videos. So it works quite a bit different than many other sites that will pay you to watch videos. And in one sense, it's nice that you can do that, but it also has some limitations, as I will show. You can choose the different categories here, but many of them will likely not have anything or any videos available, as you can see, for example, here. But you can also just scroll down. And down here you can then see the different categories that actually have videos in them, and then you can click here to see all. At the moment of recording this review, this category called talks definitely has the most available videos, and you can right away see exactly how many points you will get per video. But you can also see how close it is to reaching the limit, because after this video reaches 1,000 views, for example, you will no longer be able to actually get paid for watching it. So when you have to prioritize, if you decide to earn this way, then keep an eye on that. So then you need to know which videos to watch the first. But what you then need to do is simply just to click a video, and then you just click it here to watch it. And I will just go through it now. I will not force you to sit here and watch this whole 1.5 minutes, and then I will show you how you then get your point. So one thing you need to remember is that you have to watch the video in full. So you cannot just watch some of it, and you have to watch it in full, no matter if it's 1 minute or if it's 5 minutes. So sometimes you get a really poor value for your time. But once the video is over, you will get a capture here, and then you just simply click that and submit. And then you will get your promised reward, and you will be back to this video overview, and you can watch the next video. I just quickly want to mention that, as you can see, that I had to solve a capture to actually get paid for watching a video, but sometimes you actually need to answer a question instead. So that means that you would actually not just have to have the video running, but you need to pay attention, because if you cannot answer the question, you will not get paid. So it's not that easy, and that's definitely also something you need to be aware of. And that all depends on the video and the person that posted the video, if they want you to just confirm with a capture or by actually answering a question. But if you have seen somewhere that people claim that you can earn a lot of money like this, That is not the case. There are quite limited videos you can watch here, and you will spend a lot of time. I just spent a minute and a half watching that video to earn 1 point, but some videos might last 5 minutes, and then you have to spend 5 minutes to earn 1 point, and 1 point is really not worth a lot. It's actually only worth 1 cent. So that means that you would have to watch 100 videos like that just to earn $1, and some of the videos don't even pay you 1 point. But I will go more into the payout methods and what the points are worth later. But I just want to make it clear that it's not a fast way to earn by watching these videos. Yes, you can earn by watching YouTube videos, but it definitely will take patience, and it has limited options here. I don't even think that I would have enough to earn $1 here, because there's not that many videos available. And that would also take me all day and maybe even all night if I had to reach just $1 by watching these videos. So let's go over some of the other earning methods AdsRePay offers. And they do, for example, offer surveys here through different survey routers. And that means that you will be taken to a different platform to actually take a survey, and then you will get your earnings into your AdsRePay account. Just be aware that for many of these routers, the first time you try to take a survey through one of them, you have to fill out some profile questions before you get access to the surveys. So you might have to do that several times, but it's only the first time for each of these routers here that you have to do that. Overall, I do like that AdsRePay has quite a lot of different survey routers, but it definitely can take some patience to find the ones you qualify for. Also, the rewards you get for the surveys here, they are not super high, they are decent, but they are not among the highest paying survey sites, but it's definitely also not among the lowest. So if you decide to try out AdsRePay, or if you're already a member, yes, you definitely can earn by taking surveys, and it is one of the methods here inside AdsRePay that pay the most, but still not as much as on some other sites in my experience. You can also find a big section of Offerwalls, and if you used Get Paid to sites before, you know that there you can typically sign up for free trials, sometimes find extra surveys, get paid to play games, and different things like that. They do have a decent number of Offerwalls here and also decent rewards. But as always with Offerwalls, you need to just make sure to read the conditions to make sure that you understand exactly what you have to do to actually get your earnings. I want to specifically mention this AdsRePay because many of the other ones here you can find on many other Get Paid to sites as well, and even in many cases with better rewards. But AdsRePay, as you can hear from the name, is kind of specific for AdsRePay. And this is where you can find different games you can download, and once you reach a certain level, you can earn rewards. So you can see when you click that, you are kind of taken to a different platform, and there are all these different games here. And then you can see how many points you would get, but also here I would need to complete level 31 to earn, and that would be a lot of time I would need to spend to just earn barely $1. But if you like playing games, then AdsRePay as a part of AdsRePay definitely has a lot of options for you here to explore new games and have fun and earn a bit at the same time. So let's now go over how you can take your earnings out, because that is of course really important to know. And you can see in the redeem section here, then you have PayPal, Amazon gift card for Amazon.com, or an Amazon gift card for Amazon.ca, or then RePay TV. So RePay TV is where you can use your earnings here if you want to promote a video. If you have a YouTube channel, a video you want to promote here, you can use your earnings to get views for that. But I want to focus on the others because I find them more interesting. And the payout threshold varies a little bit depending on the method you choose. If you just choose Amazon gift card, for example, you can see $1 here. You would have to pay 125 points. Or if you want $5, then you have to use 500 points. So it actually gives better value if you wait a little bit. If you see for Amazon.ca, then you can see the rate is a little bit different because the value of Canadian dollars is a little bit different than US dollars. And if we go for PayPal, you can see here also what the ratio is. It definitely pays to wait until you earn 500 points, because then you get the best value for your points. But you can then also figure out that 100 points is worth approximately $1 depending on when you take out your earnings. So that also means if you see, for example, an offer that will pay you 50 points, then that will be worth 50 cents. And that's also why I say that you can figure out that the videos, for example, that pay you 1 point, that will be worth 1 cent. But some videos will also only pay you, for example, 0.2 points or something like that. And that's definitely not worth a lot, as you can see. But they do have good payout methods. You can get paid in cash or some good gift cards. And the payout threshold is also nice low. So that is definitely a plus of AdsRePay in my opinion. So overall, AdsRePay is a legit get paid to site. It has decent options. I think the earning opportunity about watching YouTube videos is quite hyped. It will take you a lot of time and effort. The more effective ways to earn here is by taking surveys or some of the paid offers. But then again, you can find most of the exact same surveys and offers on other get paid to sites that overall offers better opportunities in my opinion. What I do like about AdsRePay is that the design is quite clean and it's easy to use, and they have a low payout threshold and you can get paid in cash. So I hope that this review has helped you figure out exactly what AdsRePay offers and if it's worth it for you or not. And if it has helped you, then make sure to hit the like button. And I would also love to hear from you in a comment below if you have any experiences with it yourself, or if you have any questions. And if you want even more information about AdsRePay, or if you want to see a list of my top recommended free ways to make some extra cash online, then I have all that information on my website, and I will leave a link to that below this video here. So make sure to check that out. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.